I'm Robert Whitehouse from Energy Efficient Homes, and I'm down here in Rolleston where we have 4 sections which I just want to talk to you about, because one of the things we get is people asking us about sections, and we give them advice of what's a good section and what's a bad section. There's really no such thing as a bad section, it's just what you have to do to make it work. So I just want to explain a few things to you about 4 sections here which are on the opposite sides of the road, and as we go through we'll explain it. Just come with me and I'll show you this section here and the house that we're going to build and why. One of the things, Rolleston, quite a windy place, for people who live out here will tell you, but the prevailing wind in Christchurch is the easterly wind. So it feels cold when you stood outside in the wind. So the outdoor living area of what we're trying to create, or what we'll create here, will be to the west, because the house will shelter people. They can sit outside Saturday afternoon, Saturday evening, the sun will go down there and they can do the barbecue or whatever they want to do on the outside. What we can see here now from where we are, with the view we've got from the air, you can see where the timber is, the pegs on the ground to the right hand side. That is the outdoor living. There's an imaginary line, if you like, on the other side of that, which will be where the fence line is. Now, if we go across to the other side, then you can see on the garage side where there's a minimum area, because that's the side you don't want to be, because that's where it's cold and that's where the winter is. Feeling in the middle of summer when we've got that easterly wind blowing. So on the other side, perfect. So that's the sort of thing that we're looking at, and then how we make that work. Because one of the problems that energy efficient houses can do is overheat. And when we've got west facing windows over there, where the sun's tracking down in the sky, it's going to start overheating the house. What we'll do, we'll show you in our new show home how you cure that with outside louvers, where they'll come down, they'll let the light in but won't let the sun in, and the house will stay nice and cool. So there's ways of making everything work. The other thing is that this is on the south side, this section, so garage is on the right here, living area will be over to the left. So this windows here are vitally important, because in the winter, when the sun's low in the sky, we're going to collect the energy into the house, and that energy is going to be warming the house. So these windows here are critical for what we want to do, because we want to capture that heat. Yeah, garage over here to the east, that's where it'll be, and then the outdoor living will be over there to that side of the house. Speaking about the house and land packages, there's 4 of them here in Rolleston. One of them we're currently building. The other 3 we're not yet building, because we're going to get the show home finished first, where people can see all the benefits of the energy efficient house. These can be built, or when we build these, round your family. So it's a house and land package, you can come in, you can get things the way you want it, and it's unique to you and your family. I think that's very important, rather than having a plan that's already done, that you're just going to go in and try and make your family fit the house. Why don't we just make the house fit your family? We'll see you soon.